Coinbase. Coinbase. Just say it with me. Coinbase. And then when I'm thinking of Coinbase, now I'm thinking the NBA, National Basketball Association, opening a night. It's around the corner. All of a sudden, there's things coming in the deal. It's coming through the pipeline. Then I go back to Coinbase.com, the Coinbase app, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Wallet, right? And also Coinbase is actually on NASDAQ. So you can actually trade Coinbase on the NASDAQ exchange. And the NBA. Let's talk about this news that you see right here. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I am so excited. My 𝐒𝐭𝐵𝐿 impersonation, Saved by the Bell. Absolutely, the captain is speaking right now. The NBA lands the first. No, let me just say this again. NBA lands first cryptocurrency sponsorship with Coinbase. This guy actually got done today. At least this article was published today, just 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. The NBA agreed to a sponsorship deal with Coinbase. Terms of the deal were not provided, but look at this. But Coinbase will get the WNBA, the NBA G League, and the USA Basketball branding, global branding. And Coinbase is going to be associated with this. And so when I'm looking at here, this is a win-win for all cryptocurrency, especially if your crypto is on Coinbase. Now, the NBA Association, the National Basketball Association, they're preparing for the 75th anniversary. But all of a sudden now, cryptocurrency is in its future. That's what it's basically saying. Oh, we understand cryptocurrency is going to be a big part of the future. If you like it or not, if you think it's a scam, or if you think it's a game changer, or if you think it's something that is going to be part of your future, it's going to be there definitely. Now, the NBA agreed to its first cryptocurrency sponsorship deal with Coinbase. And look at this. In the agreement, Coinbase will leverage just about all NBA's platform. That's crazy. All NBA platforms. Can you imagine Coinbase being associated with everywhere with NBA? And the WNBA, NBA G League, and NBA 2K League as well, and USA Basketball. Terms of the deal were not provided, but I'm sure those terms are pretty interesting, and you know it does. NBA is a billion-dollar business. But anyway, Coinbase, the deal with Coinbase comes one day after NBA Commissioner Adam Silver confirmed the league is projecting $10 billion in revenue. See, this deal came right before he confirmed the league is projecting $10 billion revenue for the 2021 and 22 season. Adam Silver is a businessman. He's looking at this. He's looking at the numbers. He understands where this is going. He understands Coinbase it's just going to be a part of people's future. I'm sorry, it just is. And he's estimating, it's going to be an increase of revenue. And when I go back here, that figure should increase with the Coinbase deal. Look at this. That figure should increase with the Coinbase deal. And it will. It will. And if I scroll all the way down here, I'm just going to get down here for some of the information. And look at this. In a statement, NBA executive Kerry Tatlock labeled Coinbase a natural fit for the league's cryptocurrency asset. Natural fit all of a sudden, which is good because I think it's a good fit as well. NBA clubs have already leveraged crypto-related deals, including the Portland Trail Blazers and the Miami Heat. So the Miami Heat and Portland Trail Blazers were really smart to jump on this early. Now, this is something interesting. If I scroll down here, because we know other leagues are starting to kind of come around when it comes to cryptocurrency, as you see here. But look at this. National Football League hit pause on crypto deals. And now they're probably going to reconsider the deals, especially when it comes to Super Bowl and other naming rights. They're going to need something else to bring in some revenue, bring in some more eyeballs, bring in more interest. And crypto is one of the things that could help with that process. So what I'm trying to say is, if I zoom out here, it's a good day for crypto. It's a good day for Coinbase, obviously. it's a good day for the NBA. It's a good day for you watching this whole entire video because you're in this early. You're in this early in crypto. It doesn't matter what crypto you have. If it's Atama, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, it doesn't even matter. Shiba, 𝐂𝐸, Polygon, it doesn't matter. The fact that you're in here early before so many people are going to start to see it. Imagine if you're sitting there just watching an NBA game and you look at the court, Coinbase on the court, Coinbase in the actually around the arena, Coinbase commercials, Coinbase advertising. You're going to start seeing that. You probably will start seeing it because if I go back over here, it literally saying it. It's going to be everywhere. Land's first cryptocurrency sponsorship deal with Coinbase. So for me, I'm going back to Coinbase and going to go buy some more Shiba. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go buy more because I understand where it's going. And I'm not necessarily telling you to do that at all. I'm just reading between the lines. I'm going to be ready for the fireworks. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The NBA and Coinbase, a natural fit. Let's see what other fit it does in terms of other leagues. The National Football League, I'm sure they're watching. They could be watching this video as well. But thank you for watching this video. If you want to be access to Coinbase.com, click on the link below, get access to the free account, and start the process today. If you want to, I'll see you on the next video.